Okay, picture this. What if you bought just $100 of Bitcoin back in 2010? Sounds wild, right? Trust me, by the end of this video, you might be double-checking your old hard drives. Back in 2010, Bitcoin was basically the Wild West of the internet. The price? Just $0.003 per coin. That's less than a third of a penny. Most people thought it was a total joke, some weird internet money for geeks and gamers. The forums were full of random debates and nobody, literally nobody, could have guessed what was coming. But let's get down to the real numbers. If you had thrown in just $100, you would have grabbed over 33,000 Bitcoins, yeah. 33,333 to be exact. Now, let's fast forward. In 2011, Bitcoin hit $1 for the very first time. Your stash? Worth over $33,000, not too shabby. By 2013, Bitcoin crossed $100 per coin. Suddenly, that little investment, over $3 million. But the real insanity started in 2017, when Bitcoin hit $20,000. Now you're looking at $660 million. But wait, it gets even crazier. In 2021, Bitcoin blasted all the way up to $69,000. At that peak, those 33,333 Bitcoins would have been worth more than $2.2 billion. Let that sink in. $100 turned into more than $2 billion. And as of today, even with all the ups and downs, you'd still be sitting on a fortune, worth hundreds of millions at least. So yeah, most of us missed that rocket ship, but here's the thing. It's not about regret, it's about spotting the next big opportunity. Crypto is still young, and every week the game changes. The next Bitcoin? Nobody knows what it will be. But you can bet there'll be more wild stories like this one. If you love learning about insane money moves, wild crypto stories, and maybe a little FOMO, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Don't miss your next chance. Catch you in the next video.